The Home Ministry has indefinitely suspended the exercise to update the NPR and collection of data for Census 2021 in the wake of the coronavirus outbreak in the country. The decision comes on the first day of a 21-day lockdown announced by the central government amid repeated demands from the opposition to suspend the two exercises, which they have often seen with suspicion and alleged that it could be used along with the CAA and the NRC to take away the citizenship of the minorities in India. The government, however, has rejected this fear as a baseless on several occasions. P. Chidambaram, the former finance minister who was among the first to advocate a nationwide lockdown to stop the coronavirus disease from spreading, tweeted a 10-point plan for the government to put money in the hands of poor during the 21-day lockdown announced by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Chidambaram had last week pitched the lockdown as one way to slow down the spread of the virus that causes the coronavirus disease. That was hours before PM Modi appealed on national television last week to speak on the challenge ahead. The Prince of Wales, Prince Charles, has tested positive for coronavirus. A spokesperson said that the 71-year-old is displaying mild symptoms but otherwise remains in good health. Charles is now in self-isolation at Balmoral, while the prince has been working at home throughout the last few days. It is not possible to ascertain from whom the prince caught the virus owing to the high number of engagements he carried out in his public role during recent weeks. The Ministry of External Affairs on Wednesday condemned the terror attack on Sikh place of worship in Kabul in Afghanistan in which at least 25 people have been killed. Describing the incident as a cowardly act, New Delhi extended all possible assistance to the affected families of the Hindu and Sikh community of Afghanistan. The Islamic State group has claimed the attack. Addressing a press conference, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal urged people to follow the lockdown and assured there is no need to panic as the government is making efforts to help everybody. He said there will be no dearth of essential products and services. Also, he urged people to ring the helpline number 23469536 for queries. The Union Cabinet meeting chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi was held at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg earlier today. The ministers could be seen observing social distancing as a precautionary measure to safeguard against the spread of COVID-19.